Hello everyone and welcome to Dora's Stitched It. We're going to learn the basics of sewing today, how to fix our machine in order for us to sew. So there we have our thread, the bobbin and the shuttle. You usually put the bobbin in your shuttle. This is our sewing needle. The sewing needle has two parts of it. We have a rough edge and a smooth edge, a rough part and a smooth part. So when fixing your needle to your sewing machine, you have to make sure that this rough edge, as seen, is going outwards. That is facing this direction and not towards the machine. So you fix it this way. You take that needle bar up as shown, and then you try to unscrew that part so that your needle can go in, and then you fix this rough edge. Like I said, is going to face outwards, not inwards, and then you are going to feel it with your finger when you're touching the needle. So you fix the needle as seen, make sure that it's going straight in this way, and then you screw back, you tighten it, make sure that it is firm so it doesn't fall off or break while you're sewing. The next step is to put this bobbin in the shuttle as seen. Make sure that the thread comes out this way, and then you drag it to be sure that it's going to come out properly. That bobbin is going to move in a clockwise direction. The next step we want to follow is to put the shuttle underneath this machine. You see this long part of the shuttle is going in that long space also, and then you press it. Make sure that it laps properly as shown. Make sure to leave an extra thread, just fold it like that. We're going to make use of it. The next step we want to follow is to fix in our upper thread on the upper part of the sewing machine. So you put your thread as seen, and then I like to turn my thread like this because it makes my thread firm. You can make it straight, but like this makes me sew better. So you go through this process, put it in the upper tension. It looks like a screw or something like that, and then you put it in the thread take up lever, as yes, that hole you're seeing right there. You drag your thread and then you put it in your needle. You take your time. It's kind of stressful and eye straining, but you can do it. You take your time and put the thread through the needle, and then you gently take the needle into that hole. Slowly, it's going to bring out that thread, that extra thread be left under the machine, and then you drag it out. So guys, this is how to fix up a sewing machine.